Still a good looking car.
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, man. And I'm aggravated, but you know, you kind of got to just deal with things as it comes, man. And I'm trying to do that. So I'm just now leaving the body shop, and I'm gonna put a clip in here so you can see what the car looks like right now. I just don't see how it could be possible. I mean, they said it's gonna be done tomorrow. So I'm getting a brand new glass, brand new windshield. So that's a win. OEM glass. You guys know I had that bullet chip or that bullet wound in the glass that was repaired, and so I'll take it, man. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, man. So glass has to be replaced, and you can see like the side glasses, and then the car's not clean. It's like literally covered with dust on the inside of the car. I'm hoping that it's all like cleaned up and put together and looks like it should when I get it tomorrow. The interior is going to be seatless outside of my driver's seat. The rest of the car is not going to have any interior, which I'm okay with. That doesn't really bother me. Like, brand new headliner, brand new dash, brand new steering wheel, airbags, the like, you know, so that stuff is a win. It's just, I don't know, man. I just posted this update video for you guys yesterday, and I was supposed to pick the car up today, but it looks like I'll end up picking it up tomorrow, and I'm okay with that. I'll pick it up tomorrow, man, and it'll be cool, and we'll just go from there, you know? But, yeah, shit, man. With that said, it's been interesting, to say the least, man. This has been an interesting ass process. But, you know, like their manager and stuff agreed, you know, instead of my car just sitting there, because it's been sitting there for 3-4 months, you know, the car could get damaged while it's sitting there, and then, you know, then they're stuck with the car. So I was like, look, let's just do that, and then whenever they get the material for the seats and my seats are done, I'll basically just have my seats shipped to me, whether it's in North Carolina or Las Vegas or wherever I end up being at. So, or Kansas. I don't know where I'm going to leave the green. The green monster is going to stay in one area. It might be North Carolina. And then I'm going to probably have the Jag or something out here, and maybe put one or two of the Aspens in Las Vegas. I don't know yet. We'll see how it goes, but I got to spread the cars out again. But, yeah, there's the update. If you want to see what she looks like right now, I'm going to go ahead and add the clip of the car right here. You guys can see what it looks like in its current condition, and you guys can let me know in the comments if you guys think it's going to be all tightened up tomorrow. I hope so. I'm looking forward to a new windshield and the whole nine, but we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. It's getting close, man. We're getting close. We're almost there. Oh, I can't wait to get this car.
Still a good looking car.
Yeah, yeah. Sweet. Oh, so they replaced the carpet too?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, the carpet's the #1 thing that holds smell and odors. So.
Did they put the strip back in the dashboard?
Yeah.
The green thing?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's what's
Tried
up.
to anyway. He came. He's like, I have to put this back in. I was like, dude, however it was before. He's like, all right.
I wasn't tripping. I thought I was gonna have to buy another one. I figured that shit was gonna be in the trash. But
yeah, he was able to at least get that part in. I don't know about the rest of this stuff. Like I said, he hasn't finished up rebuilding everything just yet.
Okay. Sweet.
I don't know why he set the back glass and not the quarter glasses today, but hey,
whatever.
glass guys do whatever they want.
Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Major shout out to Collision Works for even getting it to this point, man. I know, look, you know, I've been impatient. I know, I'm gonna keep it a buck, man. I've been like stressing the F out about my car. But I'm not the only one that's dealing with this right now. You know, with all of these shipping areas in China and other places where stuff gets manufactured being closed again because of COVID Delta outbreaks, you know, unfortunately, there's not much. I mean, I can be mad all I want or want my car all I want, but if the parts aren't available, what am I going to do? The errors and stuff is a whole nother thing. You know, shit happens. I'm just happy to get my car back, man. And I'm hoping that it looks... I'm hoping it looks good, man. I'm hoping it looks good. That's all I can hope for. I just hope it looks good. But, yeah, new windshield is going in. I hope it's OEM. Because I'm going to be honest with you. If I see this windshield and it's not a Mopar windshield, I'm not going to be okay with that. But we'll see. I think it's going to be what it's supposed to be. So, brand new Mopar windshield. Which means, outside of the Irish flag on my roof and the TK's garage on the back window, it's a blank canvas. And I'm really tempted, man. I'm not going to put the 01 back on the door. I really think I'm going to put like an eggplant on the side of the car. I don't even look. You know what? I'm not going to give it away. Y'all can discuss design decisions of what I should do with the car in the comments. I'm going to let y'all do that. But anywho's, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Smash the thumbs up button. Go check out tk'sgarage.com for some fire ass merch. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.